I'm Erin Arksey. Welcome to Lower Sahali, 147 Anvil Crescent, one of the best locations in Kamloops.
And I'm Blair Rhoda. This is one of my favorite locations in Kamloops for so many reasons. We're on this quiet, convenient crescent and so close to so many amenities. The hospital, private schools, elementary and high school are all just around the corner. You're just steps from Peterson Creek, hiking, biking trails, a short walk to downtown to the farmers market, local restaurants, and shops. If you have students or plan to rent the suitable home, Thompson Rivers University is also within walking distance.
Hi, I'm Melanie Winches. Now that you've seen the neighborhood, let's take a look inside.
Enjoy this easy living, low maintenance, level entry rancher home. The main floor features large, floor to ceiling, bright windows. There's 2 gas fireplaces in the home. That has 2 bedrooms up and 2 below. Beautiful hardwood floors run throughout the main floor. This kitchen is white and bright and beautiful, with quartz countertop, a double porcelain sink, and plenty of windows to provide lots of nice light. This home is definitely suitable. The railing in the garage can be converted into a wall and a door added to the outside. If you're interested in moving into one of the best neighborhoods in Kamloops and checking out this amazing rancher, feel free to give us a call or a text today.